Y'all excuse the laundry going, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I just ran out of this Activewear laundry detergent. This has been my jam for a minute, and I love this. Active did their big one when they made this for Activewear. This is great. I love using this on any of my leggings when I've sweated, worked out, and also hubby's like outdoor work clothes when he's finished cutting the grass. This does its number. Activewear laundry detergent by Active. Grab it. You'll be glad you did.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. Faces pass like rivers flowing by. Some bring tears, some bring a smile so wide. I hold my heart, I keep it close and tight. In this quiet battle of wrong and right, sometimes the way feels too much to bear, but I find my peace in the midnight air. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful